understanding the unity in divine qualities leads to understanding the unity in the origins of religiosity. Feminine and masculine are known in terms that are really gender neutrality. Negative and positive statements directs from emanations to qualities to an essence of transcendency, identifying with something beyond, hidden or shown. We earn our way by our spirituality. And that was in regards to a lecture about how the divine is referred to and what that means or how that's functioning for religious communities.